Hi, this is Tariq here again from stockoptionexpert.com. Wanted to go through a few of the top movers of the day that we have covered previously. Wynn is one of the top movers. They are bouncing on positive news today. The stock was holding horizontal support last few days. This is where the traders get confused here, thinking that this was going to break down, but I kept seeing call volume activity here, and as long as it held this horizontal support, this was my buy level here. We kept repeating in our chat room, and also I had a post in my public account, Twitter account, not previous day, that this is our public account. If you are following me in stock tweets, you saw this alert right here on August 29, 10:15. We said Wine strong action long position working. It bounced 2% that day, and then it had small pullback. Remember the size of the call? There was 5,000 calls traded, and then today you see this 5% move. So this is working here. So you have to look what's happening overall. So the stock now really have to break 95.26. So it has to push above 96.50 and plus. So if it cannot break this level, this thing will probably come down and back here. But again, you have, this is another support level. It is holding 10-day moving average line, which is around 90 to 75. So unless it comes above, this thing will pull back, because we have some resistance here. As soon as it can get above 95.50, the next level it's going to test is 97. So you have to watch all these levels to make money, otherwise forget it. Same sector had calls volume. Someone knew all this, what's happening today. We This one we did not share with the public. We had it only for our premium members. This one too, if you see this kind of alerts, it came from a premium account, option expert premium Twitter account. There was a 512 calls bought, and already there was 1195 in the open interest. This 127 today has gone up to 150, 400% profit. So this is like insane how this plays out, how this thing played out today. uh, Amazingly, it paid all those who paid this sector here. Resort and casinos, same thing with Mpel. Mpel is rolling today. This is a strong action. Mpel is up again 7%. The whole sector is up on fire today. So this is amazing. So you have to take so many things in consideration. Let's say this was if you had looked at it in terms of the candle formation, this was bearish. But again, this is why we look at extra things, and options volume gave us the signal that this thing is going to push higher. In the case of Wine, I kept watching this one, just knew that something was coming, as they took a big bullish bet via options. So I will be checking how it plays out next few days. It will be against another big moving stock. What's happening with this one, you need to check out what's happened here. So I know many of you follow me here. So this one has I will just share today all the public posts that I had. So whenever earnings, this was my earnings post. This came right on the right after the earnings. I said there was this kind of calls where someone bought the premium of $472,000 via auction. So again, so what happened, the stock took a dive here. Sometimes what it happens, some people algorithm go short and nervously, and then they come back and test old low. In this case, it tested 50-day moving average. Today it's amazingly, it's back up. Probably as soon as we hold this one, 139.75 or 139, this thing will come back to 140 easily. It will come back to 143.50. So they had calls, they don't want to lose money, they brought it back up. They just knew, that this candle was bearish. Today it reversed completely. So also overall action, this stock is a lot of hedge fund people, they like this stock. So I'm sure As soon as market holds, they will try to keep it higher. Even the low will be bought back. That's what my take is on this stock. Another stocks or some other stock moving. Facebook strong action, and Facebook I called it down here low around at 122 other day. Go back to my post, you will see I had post here around 123 on that day. You can check, and then today nicely it's up almost $3 from my entry level. You have to also look at overall market. It's hitting resistance zone here. Resistance, even you had it in my last video, not like just the video. You had the resistance levels are here strong. You have to see what's happening. A strong resistance around 218 zone here. So as long as you keep below this thing can come back and test 215 easily. So as long as we stay below 218, 219, you can expect by September we are going to test this 215 zone here. Also old support. So this is what I'm also. If you look at IWM is just chopping. It looks like a rounding top here. Rounding top is a bearish pattern, so it can come back and test around 120 if weakness continues. The VIX is not giving up for last few days. You cannot give fear indicator is holding. Look at double bottom here. Look, it come it's rounding bottom here. Rounding bottom is a bullish pattern, and we are above 50 days. As long as we break this 15 level, 1525 15 level, this thing will push higher. Obviously you have to trade as per market. Also everyone is waiting for the Fed to see how they do things from this point and on. So I am keeping close eye on the markets, and I will have more posts for you. If you want to get our premium alerts, you have to join us in our room. And also another one I want to cover is McDonald. McDonald, it look like it. There is a small trend here. It's hanging around 10 days. So as soon as it can break above 116 or so, this one can push higher here around to 1750. So overall market slightly sideways and going a bit all over. Another huge collection we have been seeing is gold. Gold, I had a post right at the open, I believe. You can check here. Yes, today we had a gold post in a Republican 1007. Gold big long term calls bought at 145. Also, energy got a nice bounce. This was posted here at 1007. It already they want go to our members right 10 minutes 15 minutes ago, because they are our priority. So we need to see here, this is a horizon, this is a support level developing here. If we, as long as we hold this will come back and test all these levels. First it will come here 125.85, and then 126, then here 127. So keeping close eye depending what happens with the job number tomorrow, and I will play according to the market and stock volume. Thank you very much. Please share.